Hey guys, I've got a Toyota 2005 Matrix, and today I'm going to show you how you reset the maintenance required light. Not the engine light or not the check engine light. A lot of folks out there get confused between the check engine and the maintenance required. The difference is the check engine light is a light that comes up or turns on when there is any mechanical problem with the vehicle, such as throttle body, gas or fuel problem, or spark plugs, or what so on. Not like the brake pads or rotors. Some of them do have sensors, and then the check engine light will come up, or the brake light will come up, indicating there is a problem with the brakes, but not on all vehicles. Again, this is not, anything that's controlled by a computer module or any engine module will cause the engine light to come on if there is a problem with it. Again, this maintenance light or maintenance required light is controlled. It's something that's used to monitor your oil changes or fluids or things like that, or when it's due to be replaced. In most cases, it's something related to oil, when your oil change is due. Anyways, I don't want to. This video is not for. This video is really not for a difference between maintenance light and a check engine light. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how we reset the maintenance required on a 2005 Toyota Matrix, and I think this does apply for other matrices between 2004 to 2007, I believe. Anyways, so what do you need to make sure of? So now it's set to trip A. Yes, it is -5 right now here in Minnesota. Trip A. You need to make sure this is set to odometer. It's got 187,000 miles on it. So right now the car is running. We want to turn the car off, put the car in the ignition, come down here, and you hold this button right here while you turn the ignition to the on position. I'm using my two hands, so bear with me here. So let me just go ahead and hold down this button and then turn the vehicle to the on position, and notice how the dash, these little dashes, now with the all zeros, they went to zeros and then they went back to the odometer reading. That means it has been reset. Okay, you release my finger from the odometer button, and then come back here. The maintenance required light is gone. Now what I meant by the on position, notice how this has got the on position. Let me see if I can get that to you guys. Yeah, so this is the on position. This is start. If I turn it one more time, it's going to go to start. So let's start the vehicle. Vehicle has been started. The maintenance required light is gone. Voila. Alright folks, again, this is 2005 Toyota Matrix. Have a good day, and we'll see you with another video. See you guys.